Listen, I know looking for real estate can be a frustrating and stressful time for everyone involved. That is why I created this website, to help people just like you get the information they need to make the best decisions during this transitional period. Hello, my name is Tim Crane, and I'm a realtor. I have been in the real estate field since 1998, and I have helped numerous buyers like you get the best deals for their money. Let's look at your situation honestly. How many times have you bought real estate in your life? Once, twice, maybe 3 times in your whole life? One little mistake could cost you thousands of dollars. You need someone in your corner who has experience and knows the real estate process through and through. I am that person. I will help you learn the local market, find the right property, negotiate the best price and terms, and make sure all your best interests are covered. And I will do all this for free. That's right. This is a free service I provide for all my buyers. So, you really have nothing to lose, do you? I will start out by sending you my free home buyer's guide that will get you familiar with the real estate process. I will also start sending you new and updated listings in your area, and I will give you access to thousands of dollars worth of real estate ebooks and information. All you have to do is enter your information below and read the emails I send you, and before too long, this whole thing will be over and you'll be living your new life in your nice new home. Enter your details now so we can get started.